Leaders of the Voice of a People's Party held a public meeting yesterday at Mawpat, appealing the people of these areas to vote for them. In his address, Dr. Ricky Sinkon said in 2020 he took the decision to join politics. Many said politics is dirty, but for us, politics is divine. VP President Arden Miller Basaimoit, while addressing the meeting, said, in this last 2 years, the people have learnt a lot about politics, and in the last few years, they elected representatives through their feeling and love.
Banlong ka jingkerku nagamenta banlong ka jingmentoy nagamenta ban sandur ya ka ri ka jaj ban riu ban shem ya ka jingkit kle ngai ka don ka jingma bat pen ta ka daw ta ka mun sem jong ka ta ka jingkit kle ban ka jing soto hangai ka ta ka politics ka ban dong shimenta jong ka jing em ka jangi kam ka politics ka ba shuan chisin sansnam ri ka politics ka ba de ban don haka ya ta ka jingkan kle ka ta ka jing sandur ban don haka ka jing I jingai pada kata kabang I kadon ka jing tuna hakani ka state jungi bat nash mi ka rai nomor pangan yo ban no senyang ngalong syakri inag betagi kena ngalong syakri jung try bat ngan yai long ya kata bat kumta ngashim sing ni ka senjam ban long ru tau syakri jung pai pa.
The district election officer, East Khasi Hills